Genes and alleles. What are genes? They are sections of DNA that control the production of proteins in a cell. And every protein will contribute towards one feature in the body. Some of them can be visible, like eye color. For example, we have blue eyes, we have brown eyes, we have green eyes, black eyes, so on. They can control other things like skin pigment and other things. Sometimes these features are not visible, like for example the type of hemoglobin found in the red blood cells, since we have different types of hemoglobin, the type of blood group on the red blood cells, and so on. We can have type alpha or type beta hemoglobin. This also depends on the genes. Some genes are going to have more than one form, like the genes controlling several facial features. They can have alternate forms that will result in alternate features. They're the same gene, but they have different forms in which they can be expressed. Like, for example, the gene for your earlobe attachment, you can have a free earlobe, like the one you see here, or an attached earlobe to the side of your face. These are controlled by the same gene, but they're different expressions. You can have different expressions for your upper eyelid fold, controlled by the same gene. The same gene determines the angles of eyes to nose, and the length of the eyelashes, and so on. The gene for the earlobe, for example, has two forms, attached earlobe and free earlobe. These different forms of the gene expression are called alleles.